how to integrate Messenger with Shopify. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Messenger with Shopify. Alright, so let's begin. So, in order to integrate Messenger with Shopify, what you have to do is first go to the Elf site website. Over here, you have to tap on Facebook chat. Then just select any template that you like and tap on continue with this template. After that, if you want to change the design, so just use these tools which are on the left and design it accordingly. Then tap on add to website. Then tap on add to website and copy this code. Then go to the theme section of Shopify and tap on customize. Then tap on add section and tap on custom liquid and paste the code in this upper right section. So that's basically how you can integrate Messenger with Shopify. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.